Why do humans lie? The dark truth. What if I told you someone lied to you today? Maybe it was a stranger. Maybe it was a friend. Or maybe it was you. And the scariest part, you didn't even realize it. Lying is something every single human does, every day, without exception. But here's what nobody tells you. Most people don't even know they're doing it. We think of lying as a choice, a decision, something a bad person does. But the truth is far more uncomfortable than that, because lying isn't just a bad habit. It's built into who we are, into how our brains work, into how we survive. And today, we're going to find out why. The human brain is not designed for honesty. It's designed for survival. From the moment we're born, we start learning something crucial. The truth has consequences. Tell the truth as a child, and sometimes you get punished, sometimes rejected, sometimes embarrassed. So the brain adapts. It learns that a carefully placed lie can protect you from pain, from rejection, from judgment. And over time, that lesson becomes automatic. You don't decide to lie. Your brain just does it before you even finish the thought. Studies suggest that the average person lies at least once every single day. Sometimes it's small, almost invisible. I'm fine. I'm on my way. I didn't see your message. Sound familiar? These are called white lies, and we tell them constantly, not to hurt anyone, but to keep things smooth, to avoid awkward conversations, to protect other people's feelings, or honestly, to protect our own comfort. But here's the thing nobody asks. If we lie this easily about small things, what does that say about the bigger ones? Because not all lies are harmless. Some lies are weapons used to manipulate, to control, to keep someone from seeing the truth. And the dangerous thing about these lies is that they rarely start big. They start small. A half-truth here, a missing detail there. But here's where it gets dark. The more you lie, the less it costs you. Emotionally, psychologically, the line between truth and lie starts to blur, until eventually you can't even tell where one ends and the other begins. And this is where things get truly disturbing. Scientists have discovered something alarming about what happens in the brain when you lie repeatedly. The first time you tell a lie, your brain reacts. There's anxiety, guilt, discomfort. Your body knows something is wrong. But the second time, the reaction is smaller. And the third time, even smaller. Your brain is adapting, normalizing. What once felt like crossing a line starts to feel like just talking. The emotional alarm system shuts off. Researchers at University College London ran a fascinating study on exactly this. They scanned people's brains while they lied, and what they found was unsettling. The amygdala, the part of the brain responsible for emotional responses like guilt and fear, showed less and less activity every time the person lied. In simple terms, your brain stops caring, the guilt fades, the hesitation disappears, and lying becomes effortless. This is why chronic liars don't seem bothered by what they do. It's not that they're monsters, their brains simply stopped reacting. But none of that is the most dangerous kind of lying. The most dangerous lies are the ones you tell yourself. I'm happy. I don't care. I'm fine being alone. This is just how I am. These lies feel different. They don't feel like lies at all. They feel like truth. Because your brain desperately wants to believe them. Self-deception is a survival mechanism. If reality is too painful, the brain rewrites it, softens it, makes it bearable. But here's the cost. When you lie to yourself long enough, you stop being able to see clearly. Your decisions get distorted. Your relationships get distorted. Your entire perception of who you are gets distorted. And the worst part? You won't even notice it happening. So why do humans lie? Not because we're evil, not because we're weak, but because we're human. We lie to survive, to fit in, to protect ourselves and others, to avoid pain, to feel in control. But the more we lie, the more we lose something essential. Our connection to reality, our connection to the people around us, and eventually, our connection to ourselves. So the next time someone speaks to you, ask yourself, are they telling you the truth or just a version of it? And more importantly, ask yourself the same question, because the scariest lie of all might be the one you're telling right now without even realizing it.